friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll explain you one mini project that you can explain while giving any interview. So here I have created one sales data warehouse, so in which we have one, two, three, four dimension tables and one fact table. Okay, so basically it store the customer information, date, product, store and sales detail. Okay, so dimension tables are basically a table which store the details, and in dimension tables we are not storing any number or any measures. However, in fact tables we are storing the primary keys of all the dimension tables and also store the numbers like how many number of product has been sold from which store. So basically we are keeping the details of all the number or counts of it, that kind of information we store in fact sales. So in DB I have created one table. So as you can see that here I have created one dimension table for customer. So I'll show you the details that I have inserted. Okay, so in dim customer table I have kept all the customer related detail like customer name, city and state. And in date, it store the date ID, day, month and year details. Now, and product details contains the name of product like mobile, laptop, headphones, and under which category that product falls like electronics, accessories and brand name. And store will store the details of the store name, city and region. So whether that store is present in Delhi or Mumbai or Bangalore. So region wise we have maintained the details of each store. And now I'll show you the fact table. Okay, so in fact table, we are keeping the primary keys of all the dimension tables like sales ID, date ID, product ID, customer ID, and store ID, and the number of quantity and sales amount. Okay, so here as you can see that in fact table we are only keeping the details of the dimension table and the numbers like quantity and sales amount. So that is the difference between fact table and dimension table. Now I'll show you a report. Before that I'll show you the documents that I have prepared. So some test data I have prepared for dimension, customer, date, product, store and sales. So in order to execute the data load, first you need to place the source file. Okay, so suppose you are getting all these source file. So first you need to place it in like ADLS, like data lake ADLS. So once you place all these source file, then you need to execute the workflow or pipeline or ETL job. So once that succeeded, or after that all the like transformation happened, all the data need to be uploaded in all the tables that I have mentioned above like dim table, fact table. In all table we need to upload all the data. If there is any change, then we need to update it. Otherwise, if it is first time we are going to load those data, we need to perform bulk upload. So once all the data get uploaded in all the table, first we need to perform the backend testing. So today I am going to show you the how we need to validate the data on report. Okay, so suppose one report has been built on that data. So here I have prepared one Power BI report where I am showing the total sales by city. So I have taken the same data that I have shown in previously. So we need to show the data the total number of sales happened per city wise. Okay, so in x-axis we need to take the city, and in y-axis we need to show the number of sales has been done. So once you mouse over on Mumbai, you can see that the city name and total number of sales. So total number of sales is basically the amount amount means the how much cost of that product has been sold out. So that is the cost. Okay, total sales. If I click on the Delhi, you can see that total sales done is 50,000. Similarly, when I click on Bangalore, it will show you the total sales for Bangalore. Okay. So once that Power BI developer build any report, you need to test whether the report is showing the correct data or not. So for that purpose, I have prepared one basic test script that I'll show you. So these are the basic test script that you can prepare, like test case ID, test scenarios like chart load, test description, step to execute, expected result, and actual result. So once you start verifying this test script, you need to update the actual result and status. So if it is working fine, you need to mention working as expected, and status should be pass. Okay. So what I have mentioned here, verify total sales by city, chart loads, open report page, chart loads without any error. So it is working fine. I have not seen any error while opening that report. Next one is the verify all cities are displayed. Check x-axis label. Okay. So if you check here, you can see three cities are coming: Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. But when you check on DB, so you need to check the store details. So you need to write distinct city. So total three cities we are getting. So same query you need to update here in test script. So on report also we are getting the same. So we will update the same status for the second test script as well. Now the main part, verify total sales per city. So on report, you can see that on x-axis we are showing the city name, and on y-axis it's showing the total sales count. So to that one, to derive that count, you need to prepare the that SQL query. So here I have already written one SQL query, like select P city, sum of sales amount as total sales from fact table, and I have joined it with the dimension table on store ID uh, and the store ID of the fact table. So and group by city. So once you run that query, yeah, so once you run this query, you will get the city name and the total number of sales done per city wise. So in Bangalore, it is showing 4,000 number of total sales has been done. So once you check on report, it should show the same. So for Bangalore, if you click on Bangalore, it is showing 4,000. Now I'll check for Delhi, it is showing 50,000. So for Delhi it is 50,000, and for Mumbai it is 70,000. So which is matching. So hence the number of records is matching with your query, so you can pass that test result as well. So similarly that you can execute other scenarios as well. So this video I have prepared just to show you how we are verifying the reports with the database. So in next video I'll prepare some test data through which I can explain you what all transformation we need to verify when the data load happen in table. So I hope you like my this video. If yes, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much.